Hello guys, I hope you cut well. These are colorful paint strokes, seamless. You can easily download from the link in the description. Here is WinRAR file. You need to extract this and you will get this folder. And here these are files available in JPG format. You can see extremely in good quality, and you can see there are almost 10, I guess. Yes, and here is all in JPG format. And to download this, you just need to click on the link in the description and you will reach my website GFX. Here I provide plenty of graphic templates for free, absolutely for free. And here is download now button. You can just download from here in this, and there are also other material. Just click here to go to home, and here you can see download all material. Just search here. Thanks for watching this video. I hope this data is quite useful for you. Take care.